Welcome students, welcome to my Alpha Beta YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss simple and compound interest. What is secret behind it to solve the problems that we are going to discuss? First is how to calculate simple interest. It is principal multiply rate multiply time upon 100. Because we are taking R, rate means rate percent. So why we are taking 100 in denominator? And amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. 1 half year equal to 6 months. 1 quarter is equal to 3 months. Now, keep one thing in your mind. When you calculate simple interest, always take R and T in the same pattern. If rate is per annum, then time should be in year. If rate is half yearly, time should also be in half year. If rate is quarterly, then time should be also in quarters. Be careful. And amount is principal plus simple interest. This becomes very easy when we take R and T in same pattern. Now, how to discuss this compound interest? How we can calculate compound interest? Before calculating compound interest, we have to calculate amount. Amount means total amount. It is equal to principal 1 plus rate upon 100. Its power is T. Be careful. Here rate is R percent per annum. Per annum means yearly. And time T years. Then directly this formula is applicable for finding amount. If we have to calculate time in half years, that is T half years. Be careful, time is T half years. Rate as it is. Then you can make change in this formula. Time is in half years. Rate R percent per annum as it is. Then amount will be like principal 1 plus R upon 200 raised power T. Automatically rate will reduce to half. Rate is R percent per annum, time is T, then you have to apply R upon 200. Then if we take T equal to, that is time equal to T quarters. Quarters means 1 quarter equal to 3 months. Then this will reduce in the form 1 plus R upon 400. Be careful, when we use this formula, then the rate should be in the same form, R percent per annum. This 400 will reduce rate to 1/4. Now this is formula for calculating amount. In case of time is T year, rate is R percent, then rate is same, time T half years, then it become 200, then it become 400. Now, how to calculate compound interest? This is the total amount and we subtract principal from it. Total amount minus principal, that is compound interest. Dear students, keep one thing in your mind. No need to calculate rate per half year, per quarter. But time should be accordingly, half year or quarterly. Make sure when you apply this formula, rate should be R% per annum, but time half year. In this case, rate should be per annum, time quarterly, means quarters. Then compound interest equal to amount minus principal. This is the shortcut for calculation of amount and compound interest. And I am sure you like it. If you like it, please subscribe my Alpha Beta YouTube channel. Thank you very much.